Baby, how are you?
I'm good. I'm so bad. We need to talk right now.
Why not tomorrow? I'm good.
No, please. It is emergency.
I just got to.
Okay, I'm coming.
Yeah. You're welcome.
Thank you.
Hey, babe. Good. You missed it.
Thank you.
How are you doing?
I'm doing well.
It's like you had a long time. It's like you are tired.
Of course.
Yeah. Okay. I'm sorry, babe. You are no longer my girlfriend.
What?
Of course, you are no longer my girlfriend because.
What have I done? Baby, what have I done, please? Tell me, what have I done?
Look at me, baby. Please, be humble with me. I love you more. Give me your finger. I love you more. I love you.
I'm small.
And thank you for accepting me to be your husband. Surprise, baby.
Happy wedding